How to fix CapCut no internet problem in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly swipe down to your control center, and here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then go back to your home screen and check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then open your app store and search here CapCut. Now click on CapCut. Now here you can check your CapCut update. If your CapCut have any update, then update your CapCut. After update your CapCut, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now click on CapCut. Now here you can offload your CapCut app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.